Sana. Mngetaka muone mrembo wangu? Eh? Haya kuja. Huyu msichana ndio anapikia mimi na ananiombea. Si ndio? Na ni mzuri. Wengine ukipata shida wanatoroka. Lakini huyu anakaanga na mimi. Mngetaka amsalimie? Please say hi to our cousins.
Bwana asifiwe. Bwana asifiwe tena. Our people's deputy president and all protocols observed. Najua watu wamekaa and they are tired but they are happy. Kuna Mungu binguni. Semeni kuna Mungu binguni. And this God changes things. This God transforms things. And this God is able to change everything. Ile mambo yote ambaye inamsumbua, huyu Mungu wetu anaweza pindua. Sema anaweza pindua. Na sio kesho, hata sasa hivi. Kwa sababu he is our God and we are praying. To all the bishops and pastors and the prophets and the leaders, I want to tell you, before 2022, we came here and we had prayers for this nation with 6,000 bishops and pastors, and God gave us a leader. Our bishop was talking about MOU. The person who was signing the MOU, the main lawyer, amekaa hapa. Si ulikuwa hapo? 1,000 pastors and bishops went and we were given a memorandum of understanding that the church will be able to thrive in this administration. There is no one time hata uliza wachungaji that the church has suffered in the history of this country. The church has really suffered. But we know there is a God who is working things around, and I know freedom of worship is not negotiable. We are going to worship our God. We are going to defend the truth because our God is the way, life, and the truth. And if those three are abused, that is why the church is up in arms. So God bless you and God keep you until we meet again. God bless you.